I will explain you history chapter 3, ruling the countryside, and these are the points. Today I will explain till 6, the Monroe system, and this one, and these two I will explain in next. Ruling the countryside, the company became the Diwan. The East India Company became the Diwan of Bengal on 12 August 1765. As Diwan, the company became the chief financial administrator of the territory under its control. The company needed to administer the land and organize its revenue resources, because revenue was the main source of income of that company. It needed to be done in a way that could yield enough revenue to meet the growing expenses of the company. Revenue for the company. The company's aim was to increase the revenue to buy fine cotton and silk clothes as cheaply as possible. Within a span of 5 years, the value of goods bought by the company in Bengal doubled. The company before 1865 purchased goods in India by importing gold and silver from Britain. Now it was financed by the revenue collected in Bengal. Additional production was in decline, and agricultural cultivation showed sign of collapse. Then in 1770, the terrible famine killed the 10 million people in Bengal. The need to improve agriculture. In 1793, the company introduced the permanent settlement, the new system, permanent settlement. By the term of settlement, the Raja, by this settlement, the Raja and the Talukdar were recognized as Jamidar, who were asked to collect rent from the peasants and pay revenue to the company. The amount to be paid was fixed permanently. These settlements would ensure a regular flow of revenue into the company's coffers, and at the same time encourage the zamindar to invest in improving the land. So that was your permanent settlement at that time for the peasant. The permanent settlement created problems. Soon the company officials discovered that the zamindar not investing the improvement of land because the fixed revenue was very high. By the first decade of the 19th century, the situation changed. The price in the market rose, and cultivation slowly expanded.